Hello everyone, welcome to iExam for 50% faster preparation. My name is Chandra Prakash Joshi. Today I am going to tell you about what you need to do for descriptive English preparation. Please understand here, in your ultimate selection, once you clear the phase 1 exam, in your ultimate selection, it is your phase 2 that matters the most because that is 300 marks. Interview weightage is only 20%. So 80% of your selection depends only in the phase 2 exam, and in the phase 2 exam, English descriptive is 1/3 of it. Most of you ignore, and I am telling you, every one of you give least amount of time because you are always busy preparing economics, preparing finance, studying general awareness, government scheme for the phase 2 exam, and also management and ethics. 1/3 of the phase 2 exam, that is English descriptive, and the least surprising in the exam hall. Ultimately, you have to do 3 things here in this. Essay, 40 marks. Précis writing, 30 marks. Reading comprehension, 30 marks. So you know this is the structure of the exam. And I'm not saying you that you give 1/3 of your study time of the phase 2 to English, but I am telling you that you have to start it. You have to start it even with 10% of your time, 20% of your time for phase 2. If you think you can build writing descriptive English only after the phase 1 exam, that is going to be a big mistake. First, let me show you the kind of the expectations you shall have from yourself, how much you are going to score in English. Last year in 2023, 229 was the aggregate cutoff, and this includes the marks you obtained in the interview, that is out of the 375 marks. Those who got more than 169 marks also got the interview call, but you know, if you are getting 169 marks to reach 229, you need 60 marks out of 75 in interview, which is possible, but very less probability. You can't take that chance. Similarly, last year, that is in 2022, the cutoff was 234.5. So year on year, there will be some variations. Let me tell you now. Phase 2 marks of the top 20 candidate, and you shall aim for top 20 so that at least even if you score less, you get into the final selection. So phase 2 marks of the top 20 candidates are 193 plus, reaching to 207. So what you can learn from here, that out of the 300 marks in phase 2, if you target 200 out of the 300, that will be a good target. And in English, if you see now, the marks of the top candidate, top 20 in English, are in the range of 62.5 to 65.5. The variability is less. The average also 56.5. This is of all the selected candidates, not only 20 on the top, which is in middle. ESI is least scoring, FM is highest scoring, and interview average is also 50. यहाँ पर मैं आपको ये सजेस्ट करूंगा कि इंटरव्यू में आप एक्सपेक्ट करो कि आपको 30 मार्क्स भी मिल सकते हैं, सो दैट यू स्कोर सो हाई इन द फेज 2 दैट यू एंश्योर योर सिलेक्शन. मैं आपको याद दिला दूं, हमारे एक ऐसे भी स्टूडेंट रहे हैं पिछले सालों में जिन्होंने इंटरव्यू में 1 मार्क लिया था, 1 सिंगल मार्क्स, और उस टाइम पे 50 मार्क्स का इंटरव्यू होता था, एंड स्टिल ही गॉट आरबीआई ग्रेड बी सिलेक्शन, वर्किंग इन आरबीआई नाउ. उतना स्कोर करने की सोचनी है आपको फेज 2 में, और ये बिल्कुल पॉसिबल है. और फेज 2 का 1/3 इज इंग्लिश. तो इंग्लिश में 3 सेक्शन आपको याद हो गए. ऐसे करना है, प्रेसी करना है, और रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन करना है. वन की पॉइंट प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड इन इंग्लिश, दिस इज ए टेस्ट ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. बहुत बार लोग सोचते हैं कि अगर मैं ऐसे लिख रहा हूं तो मेरा वहां पे उस टॉपिक की नॉलेज कितनी ज्यादा है. ऐसे हो सकता है एनवायरमेंटल सस्टेनेबिलिटी पे, ऐसे हो सकता है फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन पे, ऐसे हो सकता है फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी पे और इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट पे. ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टू राइट समथिंग रेलिवेंट, बट सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट यह है, प्लीज रिमेंबर इट वेरी वेरी वेल फॉर इंग्लिश पेपर, दिस इज ए टेस्ट ऑफ इंग्लिश नॉलेज. आपकी राइटिंग एबिलिटी का टेस्ट है. हाउ वेल, how correct, how objectively you can write a good English. Nobody is testing your vocabulary because they are not looking for somebody who is going to write English literature. Ultimately, they are hiring officers who are going to write official English, but they are definitely checking your accuracy of the English. Grammar, punctuation, spelling mistake, big no. दिस इज ऑल्सो एन इम्पॉर्टेंट ट्रेंड टू अंडरस्टैंड. जो मैं बोल रहा था वेरिएबिलिटी, अगर आप इंग्लिश में देखोगे तो द रेंज ऑफ द मार्क्स, द वेरिएशन ऑफ द मार्क्स इज लेसर कंपेरिजन टू द ESI, जिसमें टॉप 20 कैंडिडेट में भी इट इज रेंजिंग फ्रॉम 59.5 to 70 here, and here from 79 to 87. इंग्लिश की रेंज कम है, डिस्क्रिप्टिव इंग्लिश इज the section where you can score. 23 में average score was lesser, tough marking हुई है. If you compare with 2022, here you can see the range of the all selected candidate marks range is between this 50 to 70. जो top scorer हैं, they are scoring around 70. Therefore, you shall also aim that you are going to score 65-70. अभी आपको क्या करना है? Right now, before the notification comes, English you can't build, especially the writing part, you can't build in weeks and in month. It takes years. अब आपके पास years तो नहीं है लेकिन months हैं, तो you have to do best in this time, reading, writing and evaluating yourself. ये 3 steps हैं. You have to read the relevant things. The most relevant thing for English writing I would suggest is English newspaper editorials or some good magazines. Maybe Yojana, Kurukshetra, if you have time, Economic and Political Weekly, or the document of Economic Survey of India, speeches of RBI governors, deputy governors, which are available on the website. Reading is very closely associated with writing. अगर आपको अच्छी राइटिंग करनी है तो यू हैव टू रीड, बट हाउ डू यू नो यू कैन राइट वेल? वी ऑल बिलीव कि मुझे अच्छा लिखना आता है और मैं बढ़िया लिखता हूँ. यू हैव टू गेट इट इवेल्युएटेड. It is going to take some time. So say once in a week you decide that on weekend I am going to give 3-4 hours to English writing part. Let's start with essay writing. Once you do essay, doing Pressy and reading comprehension will become easier. You choose 2-3 topics in the morning and on that do some research for 2-3 hours. Select some material from here and there and then decide one topic. On one topic, then you spend maybe 40-50 minutes writing an essay in 300-400 words. Word limit will be given in the exam and in various years it has been ranging from 300 words to 600 words. Now you write this essay and third step, get it evaluated. अपना लिखा हुआ आपको तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. And I am also telling you, it will be very difficult for you to identify the mistake, whether it is grammar or punctuation or spelling. But you give it to some expert and ask for the feedback. Then you will realize the scope of the improvement. There is immense. In the course, go to Descriptive English and for essay writing, Pressy writing, reading comprehension, all 3 topics we have covered separately. Then there is a mock test. You go to essay writing. This is the introduction video I am opening here. The session is taken by Dr. Sanjeev Sharma, former Chief General Manager of RBI. And Dr. Sharma is also a faculty member at IIM Ahmedabad, a visiting faculty at IIM Lucknow, ISB. He also takes classes for IAS officer. He is a faculty for communication for English. You will understand these approaches, how to choose the introduction topic, how to choose the topic, how to do the introduction, handcuff approach, Moscow method, and doing best and short analysis of your own writing. When we go to the Descriptive English mock test is in the same format as you are going to get in the exam. It is very, very important here for you that you practice typing. So here the question is, write an essay on any of the following topic in 450 words. Importance of mental health in India, mitigating risk with insurance. So suppose I take the second one. Despite the fact that insurance is the best tool, risk only 7% of the Indian population. Now I started writing with the first line, but a better way will be first to structure that how I am going to do introduction, what I plan to write in the main body, and how I am going to conclude the topic. And we can do it in paper so that when I actually start writing, by that time my ideas are well framed. Changing the structure again and again will be a problem. Likewise, there are definite rule of Pressy writing, and also there are definite technique of reading comprehension that can make your answers impressive and you can complete everything in the time. Now I am telling you some of the mistakes to avoid. First, inadequate understanding will result in an answer which is unintended, and following the stream of consciousness, that is a mistake people do, rather than a structured writing style, and that will come with practice with the expert. Time management. We spend so much time, say first in essay writing, that we will have little remaining for Presi and RC, which is also 30 marks. Then mistakes of grammar, spelling and punctuation, mistake of not doing proper practice of typing. You have to be familiar with the keyboard so that it is not a constraint. My strong recommendation that don't practice writing on a pen paper, writing on a paper with pen, rather do all the practice of descriptive writing on a computer screen. The most important message, because you have to work on it right now, most important message, download previous year paper. You will have a complete idea of what kind of questions are being asked in the exam and what kind of preparation you have to start right now without waiting for the notification. Notification will come. Every year it is coming. But the point is, as I said in the beginning of the series, whether you are going to become a grade B officer, a manager in RBI in year 2025. If you have any question, please ask in the comment. And I'm sure you must have learned something in this video. Don't forget to like and press the subscribe button. We at iXambi are here to unfold your potential to make your job preparation 50% faster. All the best. Take the action right away.